40 pieces, clean pieces. It's just like Elena cow where they arrange for table, put for grand. But your own difference say they don't put them for table, they put them for grand.
All right, guys. We are back again on this particular case right here, as you all can see right there already on the screen. There are more findings. Allegedly shows that the late 24-year-old Salome Adaidu was not the gospel singer's girlfriend. I know say since from the beginning of this whole thing, me myself, I think and say, because some people are saying, because from the beginning, I called this guy a Yahoo boy. Some people attacked me. No, everybody cannot be a Yahoo boy. Everybody cannot be this. You know, Nigerians, we all are confused, including myself. In most cases, because the situation of the country don't make all of us confused to the extent that sometimes we see red, we don't know whether it's red anymore, it's not green or whatever. But when some of us can see it, many out there will still be very, very doubtful. I say na Yahoo boy. They say no. How can a gospel singer be a Yahoo boy? Anything will lead to ritualism is Yahoo boy. By the way, what is the definition of Yahoo boy? I be not be Yahoo plus now they call them. The definition of a Yahoo boy or Yahoo plus or how now they call them, say these guys go extra end, right? To make sure the practices of that satanism is being accomplished. And what is that extra end? Where did they go? Now ritualism. Even though not yet confirmed officially that Yahoo or no Yahoo, but anybody who buys a human being, and at the end of the day, you cut the human being. So what do you want to call you now? Some of you now, when they argue with us, wait till say we call. Listen to the family member, then I'll come back to a proper analysis on this video.
Like 40 pieces, clean pieces. It's just like Elena cow where they arrange for table, put for grand. But your own difference say they don't put them for table, they put them for grand. Innocent Ele, a copper, a promising young lady, very intelligent. On Saturday evening, my sister tell me to say she dey dress up to go out. Then we can't ask her say where she dey go. She can't say she dey go visit a friend. Till Sunday, we no hear anything from my sister again. All of a sudden, I dey on my way. They go back to my station where I dey work. Now I get call on my way going for Guadimpa. Say make I turn back. They come okay. My sister get accident there. I say no problem. Accident. I ask details of the accident. Where did the accident happen? What happened? Police no fit give me any details of anything where they happen. I say to no wahala. I don't they come with the shock and everything where they do me. Now I'll hang for that Duse Junction first for some period of time. Make some calls before I come waka. Come they go okay. When we reach okay, I meet my younger brother and our last born for there. Now I ask them to say where Ele. They say Ele don't die. I say, Ele don't die, how? The next thing we can't come up for there. I can't go see Ele. I just in a normal like Ele just die, get accident. I come, I see Ele body. The pieces are into like 40 pieces. Clean pieces. It's just like Ele na cow where they arrange for table, put for grand. But your own difference say they don't put them for grand. They don't put them for table, they put them for grand. I asked what to do my sister. They no answer me. The next thing na him body to scatter, made a bury am. We look for one corner for there bury am. But me I know to say that bury will bury am there. No be there he go there. Now just make we fit keep the body. They bury am there. Mortuary they said no fit carry go mortuary. The body to scatter. Una no say body to scatter. Una no fit carry and go mortuary. Una no they do anything about them. After that day we left that place. We come up for there. We come out that night. That Sunday night we no fit sleep. Monday morning we start waka. Monday afternoon, they never call us. Monday afternoon, I don't ask where we go. We waka, we go police station for Orozo. We reach that police station for New Orozo for Nasarawa State. They start to ask questions. I asked the DPO, what did happen with my sister? He say, make I go ask my other sisters. Now maybe the firstborn of Adaidu Joseph family. My father just died in May last year. He never even reached 1 year. Say the guy where my sister follow now our friend. I say with my life and with everything I know in this life, I know all my younger sisters, they are friends. Even my friends, they know my sisters. My sisters know my friend. Everybody for our family, they know 1 or 2 people about. And the contact must say you deal with person for 1 year. Your family member, not 1 and 5 girls. When you get 2, will be your best friend. Even if she know they too close to me, she gets 2. Our last born and how we they do the university together, the same room, the same faculty. No go know who she they date for 1 year. The guy say my sister they live with her for the past 1 year. Me will meet my sister for under bridge for Nyanya when I they come back from work on Friday. Now the same person will say they live with her, get away, they close from work for Nikon Insurance, they come back straight to her father's house. You say now the same person will be say if they come they see you for waiting that they call them for your house, now they live together. He just killed her, butchered her in his room. See big rubber there for that house there. Nothing this guy. The guy is the way the guy they act. The neighbors stop staying and so speak aloud for in room. If they butcher my sister, carry her head, they go okay. Now your Okada see him. They see blood, they drop. Okada can't stop him.
Never reach 5 months the father died. Let they pay me. He say he must stand for me. Now he dey be say now he be my husband. Say now he be my everything. I can't dey happy.
The only thing where we want is just justice for Ele. May we just know what to do Ele. If the guy, they have call logs. They have ways that police can investigate things and tell the family. See now they never fit give us our sister phone. They deal with the phone. They deal with her things. They know they give us information. As far as me I'm concerned, I don't have any information. I don't know anything about Ele.
All right. This is a very pathetic one. Any angles you try to look at it is very, very pathetic. It's disheartening. It's very, very disturbing. Very, very disturbing. Because sometimes when things happen like this, we easily just move on as a human being, especially when it's not from your family or any of your relatives. We just, okay, oh, sad, oh, everybody will just move on. Listen, anything that is bad, we must kick against it. Some of you have justified this Yahoo of a thing in a different way. Not be Yahoo boy. Ritualism have been existent before Yahoo boy came into the light or whatever, anything you call it. It's just like during the time of NSAS. During the time of NSAS, Nigerians came out. We started the whole thing by saying end SARS because of the police brutality at that particular time. But when NSAS started, kick-started in Edo State, if you guys remember. When it started, the NSAS not going to end again. Then a lot of anger, disturbing a lot of plights were being poured out through the shadow of NSAS. So a lot of people were not even saying at that time, end everything. But the title still remained NSAS. Now let's come to this Yahoo of a thing. It happens through a gospel singer, allegedly, doesn't mean he's not a Yahoo. A man who cut his girlfriend's head, who killed his girlfriend, cut her head, bushara. Then what is it for? Is it not the same path that most of our youth, all of them are running more than their shadows? Everybody want to make money overnight. Everybody want to drive nice cars overnight. Nobody want to put in the work. Then what do you call this? Anybody who takes any blood in an exchange for money, what do you call that? Okay, just ritualists. A ritualism. All of them are still Yahoo. Because Yahoo stands for going through the shortcut to make money. It's still Yahoo. Our politicians, most of them still in our commonwealth, is Yahoo. So let's say it how it is. You people stop defending, not be saying a Yahoo boy now, not be saying a Yahoo boy. What is the definition of Yahoo boy? Criminality. They now put Yahoo plus. I don't know what I call it for this country. Yahoo plus, Yahoo, you buy, you make the money. It's still not the same thing. It's the same satanism. Is it not the same family of satanism? So this video now where we see so shows that this guy done the buy before, allegedly. It also showed that this guy, this girl we buy so, not be girlfriend. The girl was just a victim. I don't know how he take con him. I don't know how he take deceive him. Made the girl can't go see him or whatever. Because we saw another video where another girl came out that this guy said there's a karaoke and all that, the gospel, whatever, blah, blah, blah.
Hello everyone. I just heard about a tragic incident that happened in Abuja yesterday where a guy, his girlfriend, like, thank God for my life because maybe I would have been a victim. We belong to the same group on Telegram and he posted that he is doing a karaoke or something, that he's a gospel artist and I was interested in singing because I sing. So I went to his DM and I said I'll be interested in the karaoke, and he sent the to me. He sent the address to me and invited me to come over to Orozo. Thank God for my life because I told my sister and my sister was even telling me to go. Let's go. He kept calling me. He was calling me every day. Here is a screenshot of the chat, the short one I made on WhatsApp. He even sent a message to me on WhatsApp. Here is it, everyone. He told me to come to his place, that he's going to make arrangements for me. Thank God for my life. Guys, my mind was not just going. And thank God for work. I was really busy with work and I could not go. If not, I would have been a victim of this. He kept calling. Where are you? This. He was... I just give God the glory, guys.
So the girl was actually thanking God that work delayed her or kept her away from visiting this guy at that particular day. If not, maybe she would have been the victim. So who know what she still tell this particular one where this one take go see him? And how can we at this moment now know how many girls with this guy don't bite in the past? So to our Nigerian police, you guys are doing marvelously well, especially at this particular moment, even though the family members are not pleased yet with the investigation the way it's going. But we want to urge you to at least please find out. You have the phone of the satanic suspect, and you have the phone of the late Adaidu Salome. Check their conversation. If they have any kind of conversation, it's like in the UK. If there was this particular case that I followed up in the UK, where it concerned rape, the boy say he not rape the girl. The girl say he rape her. Now they come ask the boy, say, okay, how Unate no say we don't fail the chat, and the girl agrees to make we come. They check the guy phone. There's no conversation. The guy does not even have the number of the girl. Now, Halloween, no Halloween, all those things will be like on that bridge. We get and where for UK like that. Now, inside there, they get the pass. Now, this our Nigerian guy, cash him for back. Inside that place, Halloween, so now there for do. And he wants to do, you know, wear umbrella. Now, so you ought to do one. So you don't say person where they rush. Now, so that they be. Now, it is sentenced that Nigerian guy that time. I think it's about 10 years or so or more. I can't remember. This is more than 19 years or 18 years ago. I actually follow up the case because we know this Nigerian guy and all that, but I'll just leave it like that. Some of you that know me very well will understand the area where they talk the gospel. So the Nigerian police should please, you are doing well. We want you to do more right now. We want to know, we want to get not just justice. Say tomorrow they don't buy this allegedly gospel singer. No, I don't buy him because he buy person, they will buy him. But no, it shouldn't just end there. We want to know if he's telling us the truth. Saying that my girlfriend for 1 year was living with me. The family member just came out now that there's nothing like that. Say they live how? Where? So wait till 1 year from and say, how you take corner and make she can't see you for house. So at the end of the day, you can't buy and cut into 40 places, according to the sister just now. And my advice to our girls, A lot of girls are running left and right, running under their shadows. You know, all of them want to make money through men by all means and all that. Listen, girls, the same man that you are looking up to today, you can be better than that man. What makes you think that men must always be above you? If you work so hard today, you can be better than anybody. Be consistent with what you do. I don't understand how you guys have reduced yourself to that level that you must be under a man for you to succeed in life. I'm talking to the girls. I don't understand. Because a lot of you see these same satanic Yahoo boys or criminals or ritualists or anyhow you guys want to call them. They buy car, they do this, they do that. First name when they give them Adaidu. And they say some of them, they call my inbox. Boss, I get Aza, I beg, blah, blah, blah. I'm talking about the guys. Boss, I get Aza. I just read one comment one message the other day. I shook my head, saying, wow. You get Aza because all that you've seen around me must be through criminality. Then I commented on Today not some time ago, a couple of months ago, still talking about this criminality, Yahoo boys, internet fraudsters, and all that. Somebody came under my comments. I showcased it on my live broadcast on NAIJA Media, but I don't have the comment anymore. But I remember I showcased it. Somebody came, two of them, they came under my comments. They criticized me. One particularly asked me, bros, can you tell us what you do for a living? I say, You did tell you, ask me. Because they don't believe there's any way a youth can ever achieve anything anymore except through criminality. The mindset is gone. The same people are the people joining us to criticize the government. Let's assume our government has decided today, okay, we are done. The youth, now say we could come out, Abi, okay, make una come take over. Make una rule the country. No, say, well, I don't come. Not be the same youth when they see so. Sad. Very, very, very sad. I appreciate every one of you. Thanks for joining us today. Please help us to share our videos, like our videos. This is NWATCH Media. We are here standing for what is right. We don't compromise it at all. Thank you very much. Take care and bye for now.
Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. NWATCH Media. Voice for the voiceless. NWATCH Media. Voice for the voiceless. The only media that have been speaking against bad government. Being consistency since 1944. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Umuwame. Voice for the voiceless. Umuwame. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. Voice for the voiceless. I don't want you. We have been seeing all you guys have been doing. And we recommending to everyone in Nigeria, saying that you guys are the number one. I don't want you.